Let's talk JamBoards. Now, the JamBoard I'm going to show you now is the one that you can use on your laptop through the Chrome browser. However, the JamBoard that you and the YouTube video that was shared was about was the one that you could get as an app on a tablet or an iPad. That one has a lot more features, and if you have a pen would be an amazing tool. But I know a lot of you are actually using your laptops. You are not using extra devices. So I want to show you how it will work on here. If you go to your waffle, nice name, there is something called JamBoard. You can go to it that way. Equally, on my drive, new, more, and if you scroll down here, you'll find Google JamBoard. They both take you to the same place. Now, a Google JamBoard will give you somewhere where you can draw and work with pupils on one document. So if I add a new jam here, it'll take me to this document. Now, you can add more pages, as I'm just doing there. So that's adding more pages on. So now I've got 3 pages. On a jam, you have a background. So for example, you might want to do squares. You've got a pen where you can draw. If you hold the Shift key down as you draw, it will enable you to draw straight lines. And you can change the colour of your pen. And there is a few different options of the type of pen. Okay. There is an eraser here that will allow you to erase what you've done, or you can clear your frame. So I'm going to go away from a paintbrush and onto an actual standard pen. And I'm going to draw my lines here. There is a select tool, which is just like any old select tool. There's post-it notes. So you can actually add post-it notes and they will appear on here. So you can actually label aspects of your work. You can add an image either from Google or from your drive or from your photos. So say for example you wanted to annotate an already pre-existing graph, for example, or an image, you could just get it from here. I'm just going to type in pigs because I know what I get with pigs. So we can choose my pig, select, and in that pig will go if that's what you wish to annotate. And then you have this laser, which is quite nice, and basically it will enable you to show something, say, right, here is the area I want you to look at, but it will only be for the amount of time, so you're not drawing all over your pictures, it actually disappears. Now, brilliantly, what you can also do is, like with any other object that you're using within the Chrome and Google environment, you can share the link, you can make it accessible to anybody with the link, or you can put people in. So actually your whole class could edit one of these together, or you might give them a page each. So it gives them the ability to draw, to label, to use the post-its to label. It's not a miraculous tool, but to be fair, if you're trying to use graphs or you want somewhere that people can show up working out or calculations, or they can annotate together, this is a really nice tool to be using. Okay, hope that's useful. Bye.